Hi, and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today we're making this lovely low-carb pizza, sure to satisfy that pizza craving. For the base, you only need 2 ingredients, 4 eggs and 175 grams of grated mozzarella. Start by cracking the 4 eggs into a jug. Then simply add the mozzarella and then give it a good old whisk. Once fully blended, pour it onto a pre-lined baking tray and then just spread it into a pizza shape. Bake this for 15 minutes in an oven preheated to 200 degrees C. Next we need to add our toppings. You can put anything you like on, depending on your diet. It's hard to believe this base only has 2 grams of carbs for half the entire pizza. Put this back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. I like to turn the temperature up a bit to about 220 degrees. And there we have it, a lovely low carb pizza. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.